Okay, now here we need to find the value of x. Now they tell no EOC is a straight line, so you can find this angle first, right? Normally like this, when you need to do this type of geometry question, what are the angle you can find those first. Maybe you can't find directly this one, most of the situation like that. So what are the angle you can find those, and then think again whether you can find this. Okay, now I can find this because they tell EOC is a straight line. So for example, if I thought this has A, now I can write 80 plus A plus 20 should be 180, right? Because angle on a straight line. This is a straight line. At this straight line, they make this way. You need to remember, this is not big deal when you have like this. Any doesn't matter from one point. If you make number of angle, doesn't matter. This all angle should be 180. That's a theorem. So I can write the 80 plus 20, that means this angle, plus A should be 180. Now here 100 plus A, now I don't need to show this, you know this work in 180 minus 100 here, right? It will be, A will be equal to 80, right? Now A we got, A is 80, right? A also 80. Now I can find these two angles also, because why? These two equal actually, because OB and OA radius of same circle, so that's why this equal to this. So isosceles triangle ABO mean isosceles triangle, right? This side and this side equal, so that mean opposite angle also equal. That mean if this is B, this also will be B, right? These two angle will be B, right? Now I can write like this, what the A mean 80, no? So I can write what the 80 plus B plus B will be again 180, right? 180. This plus this plus this. So then here will be 80. Here B plus B mean 2B, right? 2B equal 180. Now what I need to do? 80 bring to here, right? These are right? So 2B, 180 minus 80 mean 100. So both sides divided by 2, it will be, B will be equal to 50. Now I know this angle and this angle, right? Right. So if this is 50, again I can write 50 plus this one will be, if I put C here, C will be, I will not show it, you can do it, but the 50 plus this is, you can get as C, B plus C equal 180. Then if this is 50, if this is 50, this should be 130, this should be 130, right? Now you can find easily x, what the 20 plus 130 plus x will be equal to 180 again. So you can write what the I will write it here, right? This angle plus this angle plus this, right? So 20 plus 130 plus x will be equal to 180. So here 150 plus x equal 180. So 150 bring to here, 180 minus 150. So it will be, what the 180 minus 150 mean, it will be 30. So x equal 30 degrees.